विज्ञान की तरक्की देश की तरक्की मानी जाती है और इस तरक्की में देश में सबसे बड़ा महान नाम निकल कर आता है एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम साहब का, जो एक साइंटिस्ट थे जिन्होंने देश को विज्ञान के रूप में ऐसा प्रतिस्थापित किया कि आज पूरी दुनिया भारत का लोहा मानती है। और आज माउंट बेकन इंग्लिश स्कूल में कुछ ऐसा ही देखने को मिला, जहां बच्चों ने शिक्षकों के सही मार्गदर्शन से खुद के द्वारा बनाए गए कई टेक्नोलॉजी से परिचय कराया।
What did you make, girls?
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Arushi Rao from class 8.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Akansha Gupta from class 8.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Akansha Yadav from class 8.
Sir, this is periscope.
It is an instrument by which we can see high level things from low point.
Show it. What is your project?
This is also water cycle. Sir, in this, I describe it first. If water is evaporated, then water is conducted. Then in the last, transpiration is due. This process is called water cycle, and this process is done by again and again.
Welcome to the Mount Beacon English School. As all of you know that today we are celebrating the Science Exhibition Day. The inventors have made so many things, because of that we are living a comfortable life. But today the Mount Beacon English School students have prepared so many different types of projects in science, and our motto is to enrich them that they may learn about more for science.
Welcome to Mount Beacon English School. Today is National Science Day. Students are celebrating this day very actively. They have participated in every project and experiment as well, and they are enjoying the day very nicely.
Good morning, everyone. As you can see, this is my project on cleanliness and health. And this is junk foods are not good for health, and smoking and drinking alcohol is also. And this is yoga club, and these people are doing yoga. This is good for health. Fruits, good foods, and vegetable. I hope you like this. Open drain or tank water harvesting. In this method, the rainwater directly or the water following on the roads stored in the tank or ponds. Thank you.
Mount Beacon English School, duty, discipline, dedication.